Welcome to the Axway headquarters here in Scottsdale, Arizona. While we've been in the area for several years, we've only moved into the new building in 2020. So no matter how hot it gets outside, you've always got a cool place to come and work. Let's go take a look around.
Our Better Together theme started a few years ago and remained one of our core values. As you can see on the branding here and on the floor tiles, we hope it's a great reminder for our Griff's colleagues as they go by about their day. One of the features I particularly like is the common area here. Every time you go through, it's a great opportunity to say hi to a colleague.
When you visit our office, you'll see many places such as this room. This particular room we like to call the Innovation Lab. In places such as this, we like to demo our software and our products and solutions to show how they can solve everyday business data integration challenges. We would love to give you a demo, so please just ask.
Through these hallways walk the talented employees of our Scottsdale office. They include all aspects of the business. We have development, we have support, we have marketing, sales, renewals, and we even have Patrick Donovan. And all of those departments working together to make our customers happy and successful.
Because innovation and teamwork is what drives Axway employees to do what they do every day, we wanted to give them a much better work environment. So instead of defined departments or areas to work in, we created a new concept called neighborhoods. Neighborhoods are just areas where people can congregate, get together, solve problems. We have a lot of meeting rooms, different sizes everywhere, so people can meet. We have a lot of different variety of places to work in to get the best of our employees and give them a nice work environment to work on.
As we walk through the Scottsdale office, you'll now find yourself in the People and Culture area, known as P&C. I want to take a moment to share how the P&C team is a strategic partner for all Griffins. We're here to support all of you through your Axway journey. Whether you're a new hire or a seasoned Griffin, P&C is your partner to ensure a positive and productive work environment. As a Griffin, your Axway journey begins with our team during recruitment. Once hired, we provide an onboarding experience aligned with our cultures and values. We continue to support you with employee development, enablement, and training. Through Axway University, which we also call AU, many opportunities are available to help you grow both professionally and personally. We're also here to address any feedback or concerns regarding your employment. We're here to listen and provide support. Ultimately, our goal is to foster a positive and inclusive workplace culture where everyone feels valued, respected, and empowered to do their best work. I look forward to seeing all of you in the Axway Scottsdale office, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.
Here in the Griff's Cafe, we host super fun office activities, panels, meetings, and events. We celebrate our Griffins' achievement, support community outreach, and have super fun lunches. Just recently, we celebrated Cinco de Mayo, and it was so much fun to have everyone together.
We hope you've enjoyed our tour today. From all of us here in sunny Scottsdale, Arizona, we hope to see you around. After all, we're better together.